Proper preparation is essential before removing Tesla Aero caps to ensure safety and prevent damage. First, park your Tesla on a flat surface and engage the parking brake. Next, use wheel chocks behind the wheels for added safety. Gather your tools, ideally a plastic pry tool from Tesla service kits or a soft cloth-wrapped screwdriver. Wear gloves to prevent fingerprints on your wheels. Finally, prepare to avoid accidental movement and protect the wheels from scratches. Locate the small notches or gaps on the edge of the Aero cap. These are the access points designed for safe removal. Gently pry outward at these notches using a plastic tool. Apply even pressure while supporting the cap to prevent sudden releases. Once a clip is released, move to the next one systematically. Continue around the cap until all clips are free. Pull the cap straight off without twisting. This prevents damage to the clips or the wheel underneath. Remember, gentle and even pressure is key. Avoid using excessive force to ensure the Aero cap and wheel remain undamaged. To reinstall Tesla Aero caps, begin by aligning the cap with the wheel. Position the cap so its center hole matches perfectly with the wheel hub, and any logos or markings are correctly oriented. Once aligned, press firmly around the entire perimeter of the cap. Apply even pressure to engage all the spring clips with the wheel. This may require some force, but avoid using excessive pressure that could damage the clips. After pressing, check that the cap sits completely flush against the wheel surface. There should be no visible gaps between the cap and the wheel, ensuring proper aerodynamic sealing. Test the installation by gently trying to move the cap. A properly installed cap should not wobble or feel loose. If it moves, remove and reinstall with more pressure. Finally, listen carefully for the audible click as each clip engages securely with the wheel. This clicking sound confirms that the clips have locked into place, providing a stable fit for safe driving. When Aero caps become stubborn or stuck, start by avoiding excessive force to prevent damage. Check carefully for mud or debris that may be hindering removal, particularly after off-roading. Try gently rocking the cap while applying pressure near the clips. For Cybertrucks, hose spraying the area beforehand can help dislodge mud. If problems continue, seek professional assistance from Tesla service. Common mistakes during Aero cap removal and reinstallation can lead to expensive repairs and reduced vehicle performance. Let's review the key pitfalls to avoid. First, avoid using metal tools directly on the wheel or cap, as they can cause scratches and cosmetic damage. Second, do not twist or yank the cap off, as this can break the clips and require replacement. Third, ensure the wheel is clean and dry before reinstallation to prevent slipping and improper fit. Neglecting these precautions can lead to cosmetic damage or wheel imbalance, affecting vehicle safety and performance. Always prioritize gentle and careful techniques to maintain your Tesla's aerodynamics and warranty. When an Aero cap becomes damaged, it's essential to replace it with an original equipment manufacturer or OEM part from Tesla. Aftermarket caps often lack the precise engineering needed to maintain the same aerodynamic benefits as Tesla's OEM design. According to Tesla's estimates, using non-OEM caps can reduce your vehicle's efficiency by 5 to 10%. Proper aerodynamics are crucial for maximizing your Tesla's driving range and overall performance. OEM Aero caps typically cost between $50 and $100 each. Tesla is already looking ahead to the future of Aero cap design. Patents reveal plans for smart Aero caps, equipped with sensors that can make real-time adjustments to optimize aerodynamics. Environmental considerations are driving the use of recyclable materials in future Aero caps, making them easier to dispose of responsibly and reducing waste. Experts predict Tesla will standardize modular wheel systems, which would minimize the need for frequent removals and make maintenance more integrated. Overall, the trend is moving towards user-friendly maintenance practices and sustainable materials, perfectly aligning with Tesla's goals for efficiency and environmental responsibility. In the coming years, look for potential tool-free designs that make Aero cap changes even simpler for Tesla owners.